In today's world of advanced technology, we find ourselves in the midst of a deepfake revolution. The term deepfake refers to the manipulation of photos, videos, and audio to create seemingly authentic content. But what does this mean for society? Let's dive into the unsettling truth behind this new era of digital deception. Deepfakes have become increasingly sophisticated, raising concerns about their potential misuse. With just a few clicks, anyone can swap faces, alter expressions, and even change what someone says. It's like a puppeteer pulling the strings of reality, blurring the line between fact and fiction. Imagine witnessing a video where a politician appears to confess to a crime they never committed, or a beloved celebrity saying things they would never say. These are the dangerous possibilities that deepfakes unlock: the power to manipulate public opinion, perpetrate fraud, and create chaos. The consequences of deepfakes infiltrating our lives go far beyond simple entertainment. They have the potential to erode trust in our institutions, distort historical events, and amplify misinformation. The impact on society could be catastrophic if we don't act swiftly. We must approach the digital realm with caution, questioning the authenticity of what we see and hear. Critical thinking and digital literacy become paramount, enabling us to distinguish between what is real and what is manufactured. To combat the dark side of deepfakes, researchers are developing technologies that can detect these manipulations. Machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms are being trained to recognize anomalies and inconsistencies, aiding in the identification of deepfake content. The deepfake revolution is upon us, and we must navigate this new era of digital deception with unwavering vigilance. By understanding the potential dangers, questioning what we encounter online, and championing technological advancements in identification, we can safeguard the truth. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Together, let's counter the deepfake revolution and safeguard the integrity of our digital world.